Today we're going to be breaking down Rothco's water bottle survival kit. So let's uncap it and see what we've got inside. First off, the compressed towel, measuring 1.5 inches by 3/8 inches compressed, opens up to 11.8 by 19.6 inches. We also have a little sewing kit in there, as well as an existing Rothco item, the 5-in-1 survival tool. With the survival tool you get a fire starter right here on the side. It's also a whistle, and the cap is a compass. If you were to unscrew the cap, you would notice a capsule in there, a little waterproof area for storing small items such as matches. And inside of the cap, you'll find a signal mirror. And no survival kit would be complete without a multi-tool. So here we have a 3-feature multi-tool with a file, a small knife, good for cutting paracord or rope, and a pair of scissors. And here we have 2 band-aids, pretty standard for a survival kit, as well as one of the most vital pieces to a survival kit, some paracord. This is 33 feet of the 330-pound paracord. Comes in just about any color you want, as long as that color is black. Next up, we have a carabiner multi-tool. Not designed for climbing, but it is great for strapping onto gear, either to a backpack or to your belt loop. It has a compass right on the side. And at the top of the carabiner, you'll find an LED flashlight. The batteries are included, and although it is small, it is also, as you can see, very powerful. We also have an emergency blanket, which will reflect 90% of body heat, and the 50 by 80 emergency poncho, which is one size fits most. Lastly, we've got one more carabiner, again, not for climbing, and the 33-ounce or 1,000 milliliter water bottle. So head to Rothco.com and find an authorized dealer near you, and comment below and let us know what you think of Rothco's water bottle survival kit.
Hi, I'm Jesse Anderson, Product Manager for Slumberjack, and today I'd like to talk about the Illusion 1. It's a waterproof, breathable bivy design that features polyester taffeta fabric for the floor and main body, polyester no-seam mesh, and fiberglass poles, and fit into grommets at the end of each self-fabric hoop tunnel. The bivy has a large opening with dual sliders to help with venting options. And the centerline tensioning system helps stabilize the tent in inclement weather. The Illusion 1 packs down small, at 2 pounds 15 ounces, leaves extra room in your pack for other gear and essentials, and at a 90-inch internal length and a 40-inch width to sleep a pretty big hunter comfortably. It is available in Kryptek Highlander and Slumberjack DST.
The Hibben Sawback Survival Tanto is yet another excellent addition to Hibben's custom design series. This is not a collectible knife to display on a shelf. It's a rough, tough tactical blade built for extreme survival use. The 9.5-inch 7CR 17 MOV stainless steel Tanto blade offers a corrosion-resistant, bead-blasted finish and a powerful double serrated sawback blade spine. The oversized guard has been pre-drilled with lashing holes, and the cord-wrapped handle provides plenty of cordage for emergency use. The handle is hollow, allowing you to store a small survival kit inside, and the screw-on end cap houses a built-in compass. Whether you're stalking wild beast on an African safari or camping the Appalachian Trail, this Hibben survival knife will never let you down.
With its diminutive size and impressively fast boil times, the PocketRocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years. Now, the next generation PocketRocket 2 takes everything good about the celebrated original and makes it smaller and lighter without sacrificing any of its powerful performance. The refined PocketRocket 2 is just as fast and powerful as the original, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, but we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. Its improved pot supports are stamped out of strong stainless steel, and they now accommodate a wider range of pot sizes with greater stability. We've also carried forward the stove's wind clip windscreen on the burner head. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer. Incredibly easy to use, this impressive microstove is perfect for first-time buyers to fast and light fanatics. Stow it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate Ultralight kit.
Hi, my name is Kyle Edelman, and I'm a product manager here at Thermacell. We're constantly listening to our consumers, and one of the things that they were telling us is they needed a way to bring our technology into the backcountry with a product that is smaller, more lightweight, and more compact. Now, this product works with a camping gas canister as the fuel source, and it is highly fuel efficient. From this medium 8-ounce canister, you can get 180 hours of runtime, and it uses that to create a small flame inside, which uses gentle heat activation to release the active ingredient in the repellent, which is held in these mats. Now, our repellent is oleithrin, that is a synthetic replica of what the chrysanthemum flower creates naturally, and once it is vaporized, it creates a 15-foot by 15-foot zone of protection, such as at your campsite. The way that it works is you begin by inserting a mat. Slide it right in underneath the grill, and then you go ahead and kick out the old mat, and then thread it onto the camping gas canister, and then you're going to go ahead and switch it to the on position, which begins flowing the gas. You'll let the gas begin to activate for about 5 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and slide the integrated piezo lighter, give it a couple clicks, and then you can see through the viewing window that the device is on, as there's a small orange and blue flame that is totally safe. Now, it is no spray, so no mess, and it's no DEET, which can be damaging to your gear, which is another thing our consumers asked us for. And then you can actually store it in this rugged and water-resistant pouch that comes with the product. And this way, it'll easily fit into your backpack. We believe that the Backpacker Repeller is an effective and innovative solution to treating mosquitoes and enabling people to better enjoy their outdoor adventures.
This Unigear Trop-Storm waterproof backpack has become my favorite waterproof backpack so far. With the different compartment designs, I can easily find what I want quickly and keep my essential items in a safe spot. Compared to the waterproof backpack I used in the past, I prefer the foldable fabric in the roll-up part, which makes packing easier. This unique casual outdoor backpack is made of premium waterproof fabric and high-quality Duraflex buckles. With Trop-Storm, you can safely lash any gear with buckles on the hanging rings. An integrated waterproof internal pocket can store any of your wet items without worrying about getting other dry items wet or carrying an extra dry sack to increase the load of your pack. The quick dry mesh back panel can keep your back dry after any water activities at all times. Unigear waterproof backpack will always remain a consistently excellent performance under any circumstance.